I can hear you, Lawrence. Where are you? Buenas noches. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here tonight. My name is Nestor Castillo. I work for the communication department for this great city of Lawrence. On behalf of the Mayor, Brian De Peña, thank you so much. Thank you for coming and joining us tonight.
A Marta Vélez, la persona encargada de tener esto aquí tan lindo para que todos disfrutemos. I also want to call Marta Vélez, the Recreation Department Director. She makes this possible, and her team, thank you so much. We celebrate today our Independence Day. But thank you so much, Lawrence, and God bless America. Thank you.
It's my pleasure and the Recreation Department's pleasure. So everybody that's in a yellow shirt, raise your hands. Come on, guys. Everybody that works for us, the department, everybody's worked really hard to do this for you. So I hope that you enjoy everything that's coming your way and the fireworks. And if you don't, I'll hear some constructive criticism, but no criticism. Le quiero dar las gracias a todo el mundo de Loren por venir. Nosotros trabajamos muy en gusto para este evento, para ustedes. Todas las personas que tuve, los muchachos que tuve con la camisa amarilla son parte del Departamento de Recreación, donde están trabajando desde la semana pasada para decorar este evento para ustedes. Es un honor que el alcalde Brian A. De Peña me escogió a mí para estar encargada de los eventos de la ciudad. Y si tienen alguna crítica constructiva, yo la cojo, pero si me vienen a criticar, no me lo digan así. Ven y díganmelo nice, porque yo quiero crecer para todos ustedes. Y tengo el honor de trabajar con unas personas que son parte del concilio, que son las personas que dicen sí, no al dinero. Y ellos de verdad apoyan el Departamento de Recreación. So, Néstor, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias, concejales, por todo lo que ustedes hacen, todo lo que ustedes aprueban para la ciudad. And I look forward to continuing to work with all these great counselors that support everything that happens in the city. Thank you.
I apologize, I don't speak Spanish, but I will say this. God bless Lawrence and God bless America for allowing these events to happen. Thank you.
El concejal Rich Russell acaba de decir, él no habla inglés, el español que diga, pero él lo que quiere decir es que Dios bendiga a América y Dios bendiga a todos estos eventos que mantenemos en la ciudad. Y muchas gracias.
Hello, Lawrence. Mi nombre es Giovanni Rodríguez, soy concejal de la ciudad de Lawrence y para mí es un placer estar aquí disfrutando de eventos como este, celebrando la independencia de los Estados Unidos. Hoy estamos en el Estadio de los Veteranos, en memoria de los veteranos. Eso significa de que gracias a ellos, hoy nosotros estamos celebrando la libertad de este país que no ha brindado tanto apoyo, que no ha brindado tantas oportunidades y siempre le estaremos dando gracias a los Estados Unidos de América. God bless America. We're here today celebrating the 4th of July, the Independence Day, and we are thank this country because you have opened the door to all of us. You have provided us with opportunities and most importantly, freedom. And that's extremely important to a lot of us. So thank you. God bless Lawrence and God bless America.
Buenas noches para todos. Bueno, como decía Marta, este es un evento que se coordina con amor y con dedicación y con mucho compromiso para todos nosotros aquí en la ciudad de Lawrence. Así que a disfrutar los fuegos artificiales, su concejal Celina Reyes por toda la ciudad de Lawrence.
So I think Gregory, you want to say a few words?
I don't know why we dragging this by us speaking. We should be watching fireworks already, right? We should be watching fireworks, right? Fireworks, right? That's what we're here for. I'm Gregory, city concejal del pueblo, and we're here to celebrate Independence Day. So let the fireworks begin.
Buenas noches, pero quiero escucharlo. Buenas noches. Buenas noches, pueblo de Lawrence. Mi nombre es Ana Levi, soy la concejal por toda la ciudad y quiero desearle un feliz 4 de julio, aunque lo estamos celebrando el día 6. Pero hoy venimos aquí a disfrutar. We came here to enjoy the fireworks and happy 4th of July, and this is for you. So to celebrate a day, the city, the mayor, and we all the city council are here to say happy 4th of July. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Estela Reyes, City Council and also State Rep. And I just want to thank all of you because this is not about me. This is not about the city. This is about you and also July 4. Happy 247th anniversary. I hope that as this year we can continue celebrating the same way that we are coming for every single event, but especially for this one, who is remarkable for everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. Jonathan.
Yo lo único que quiero decirle es que gracias por llegar al estadio tranquilo, humildemente. Esto es lo más lindo cuando podemos reunirnos como comunidad para poder ver unos fuegos artificiales, pero también celebrar lo que es la comunidad, lo que somos. This is actually something that I really appreciate when we're able to come as a community safely and we're able to enjoy not only this fuegos artificiales, pero al mismo tiempo we're able to just enjoy each other. So thank you for coming, for being here, and then when this is all done, I hope that you go back home safely and enjoy yourself with family, and that we're able to do this every year en familia. Muchas gracias.
I have to introduce someone that I'm very, very honored to call a friend, and also someone that does a lot of fundraising for us to be able to run this event. And there's nobody more honorable than this wonderful person, Diane here, who works really hard to get everybody to come together and support this event. Thank you, Di.
Thank you, Martha. So I just want to thank a couple more people here. First of all, the Lawrence Fire Department. As you know, when we have the fireworks, there's a lot of rules and regulations that go along with putting fireworks on, and without the fire department there all day and helping out and making sure that we're safe. So thank you to Lawrence Fire Department, and also thank you to the Lawrence Police Department for being here and keeping everybody really safe. And last but not least, the DPW, thank you for being here. They're going to be shutting the lights off around 9:28 p.m. So we're really happy to be able to thank the DPW. And Representative Francisco Palina is here. Would you like to say a couple words before we start the program?
Hola. Bueno, muchas gracias por estar aquí todos compartiendo los fuegos artificiales. Hoy es un día bello, espero que lo disfruten. El año pasado fue una noche muy amena también. Gracias por compartir lo bonito que es ser lorenciano. Que Dios me lo bendiga a todos.
Thank you. All right, and Terry Kelly is here tonight to sing the Star Spangled Banner. So if everyone could stand, and the Junior ROTC will start the procession for the colors.
Please join in. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts boats we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Lo que son es actores, porque le encantan el drama. That's why I say, it's a
We'd like to invite everyone to sing God Bless America, being led by Terry Kelly.
Thank you, Di. Please join in. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above, from the mountains to the prairie, to the oceans white with foam. God bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America, my home, sweet home. From the mountains to the prairie, to the oceans white with foam. God bless America, my home, sweet
Thank you, Terry. All right, everyone, we are getting ready for the fireworks, so Adderley or someone in the rec department or DPW, could we turn the lights off? All right, let's count down, everyone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
you.